try to solve the superposition. So let's start. So this is the problem. So find V using superposition if G sub R is equal to 2 angle of 0. So let's first write the label keynode. V is equal to V. So let's use superposition. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, so after that, the Z sub R is equal to 2 angle of 0. So let's compute. So Z series is equal to 6 angle of 20 plus 2 angle of 10. So let's convert to rectangular. So 6 angle of 20 approximately equal to 5.64 plus J 2.05. Okay, and 2 angle of 10 approximately equal to 1.97 plus J 0.35. And after that, the Z series is approximately equal to 7.61 plus J 2.40. Okay, so after that, the equivalent impedance is equal to 1 half plus 1 half plus 1 7.61 plus J 2.40 close parenthesis that and raised to negative 1. After that, let's compute the admittance. So 1 over 7.61 plus J 2.40 is approximately equal to 0.118 minus J 0.037. So the equivalent impedance for this Y is approximately equal to 0.5 plus 0.118 minus J 0.037 is equal to 0.618 minus J 0.0037. So equivalent impedance is approximately equal to 1.61 plus J 0.096. Right. So let's move to V. So V1 is equal to I times equivalent impedance is equal to 6 angle of 0. So 1.61 plus J 0.96. So close parenthesis that. So V1 is equal to approximately equal to 9.66 plus J 0.58. Approximately equal to 9.68 angle of 3.4. So let's move to V2. Approximately equal to 1.72 angle of negative 8. So the V3 is approximately equal to 4.85 angle of 6. So after that, so let's write the voltages. So V1 is approximately equal to 9.66 plus J 0.58 and V2 is approximately equal to 1.70 minus J 0.24 and the V3 is approximately equal to 4.82 plus J 0.51. So voltage is approximately equal to 9.66 plus 1.70 plus 4.82, close parenthesis, plus J open 0.58, open parenthesis, 0.58 minus 0.24 plus 0.51, close parenthesis. So V is approximately equal to 16.18 plus J 0.85. So the absolute value of V is approximately equal to 16.2. Angle of approximately equal to 3.0. So this is the final answer. So the answer is V approximately is equal to 16.2, angle of 3. So V. Okay guys, so this is it. So thank you for watching guys, and that's it.